Now we'll discuss another method to simplify the given SOP, or this is to minimize given SOP. That is, the other technique is map entered variable, or it is also said to be entered variable map. This is used to increase the effective size of KMap. It means it allows a smaller map to handle large number of variables. This is how this is done is by writing output in terms of input. See, this MEV is input and this is the output taken, and we are entering the MEV entry by using output in terms of this input. Okay. Now we'll see how this is. It is having some rules. This is the input MEV map entered variable. Output. Suppose for example, if the output is 0 0 and input is this combination, then output both are 0. So we need to enter 0. If both output is 1, enter 1. Both output and input both are 0 as well 1. That means input output same. So enter MEV. MEV is nothing but input. Input is 0, output is 1. Input is 1, output is 0. That means inverted. So write this MEV bar. That means input inverted value bar. Now when you consider don't cares, that means you can place any value. So the MEV entry becomes don't care. One output is 0 and one output is don't care. You can replace this don't care with 0. So output becomes 0. Same as 0 don't care. This becomes output 0. 1 don't care. So don't care is replaced with 1. So output becomes 1. 1 don't care. So don't care is replaced with 1. So you should enter variable 1. This is how to enter the MEV entry by using the rules. Now we'll see one of the example, that is given SOP is f of ABC is equal to summation m of 0, 1, 2, 5. This is the given SOP. Okay. Wherever this terms, there will get the output 1. 0. Need to write for the 3 variable combinations 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For that, what are all the SOP given? 0, 1, 2, 5. 0, so output 1. 1, output 1. For 2, output 1. For 3, 0, 4, 0. Again for 5, it is output 1. 6, it is 0. 7, 0. Now, we'll take this and entry the MEV variable. Now, considering the input C as well the output. Okay, check the combinations 0, 1, 1, 1. That means here both the outputs are 1. So, entry 1. 0, 1, 1, 0. That means input and output are inverted. So, MEV bar. That means here the MEV is considered as C. So, make it as C bar. Input and output both are same. That means MEV. MEV means C. So, enter C. Now, both are 0. Directly, we can write 0. Writing the MEV table. 0, 0, AB. Only we are considering AB. And the output is in terms of input. In terms of input is C. So, we'll get only the combination, 2 variable combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now the function f output becomes 1 MEV entry, C bar, C and 0. For this now we'll draw the K map. This is the K map, only 2 variable map A, B. A bar, A one side, B bar, B other side. Now you place this 1, C bar, C, 0. This is how to solve, that is minimize the expression. 3 steps to get the minimized expression by this K-map. The first step is, first place C and C bar as zeros. So from this you need to place zeros where there is a C and C bar, zeros, and here 0 write as it is and 1 write as it is. Okay, 1 is written as it is, 0 is written as it is, and C bar replaced with 0. Now we'll get one SOP, that is A bar B bar. What is this? Is single. Okay, only single. So we'll get A bar B bar. This is one SOP. Now the next procedure, that is step 2. Here what we need to do is, C you need to consider it as 0 and automatically C bar becomes 1. That is C is equal to 0 and C bar becomes 1. Okay, and wherever there is a 1 you need to place don't care, that is 1 is equal to don't care. Here in this first case, C is equal to C bar is equal to 0. In the second case, C is equal to 0, C bar becomes 1, and wherever there is a 1, place don't care. Okay, now here it is a 1, so placing don't care. C, here it is C, placing 0, where C, and C bar in this location cell, placing 1 and 0. In the first step, what we have did is C is equal to C bar is equal to 0. So here it is C and C bar. So placing 0 0 and as it is 1 and 0 placed. So from this, if you do grouping, it is a single one. So we'll get A bar B bar. Now we'll see, that is C is equal to 0, C bar becomes 1 and replace 1 with don't care. So here 1 replace with don't care and C becomes 0, then C bar is 1. Place this and make a pair. These two becomes a pair. Now here we'll write the SOP2 as, okay, for this, when you do this pairing, now what will be the expression is, here B is changing, only A bar is constant. But this we have written in occurrence of C. So here this C is 1. So this becomes C. C bar. Because this is here, it is C bar. We are placing that C bar as 1. So this is the occurrence of C bar. We get A bar. So this SOP becomes A bar C bar. Next, same as third step, again we'll write the K map. A bar A, B bar B. Now in this, what we'll consider is 1, wherever there is a 1 replace with, wherever there is a 1 replace with don't care. Okay, and reverse case, here C is replaced with 0. Now C is replaced with 1, that is C is equal to 1, C bar is becomes 0. C is 1, C bar becomes 0. So replace this 1 with don't care and C with 1 and C bar with 0 as it is this 0. Now do the pairing, we'll get the SOP. This is the pairing. So now we'll get SOP3, that is only B bar. A is changing, so only B bar in terms of C. So we'll get B bar C, occurrence of C. Now we'll consider all these three and we'll write the minimized function, that is f is equal to, now f becomes A bar B bar plus A bar C bar plus B bar C. A bar B bar plus A bar C bar plus B bar C. First SOP A bar B bar and second SOP A bar C bar and next SOP B bar C. This is the final minimized expression f. Now we'll see one more example, that is 4 variable SOP. Here in this summation m of 2, 3, 7, 6, 7, 9, 10, 13, 14. This is the given SOP where there is a output, that is here in this terms you should write 1. Okay, we'll write all the 4 combinational values 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 0 to 15, 4 variable combinational values. Now we'll write the output 2, 3. 0, well, no term is given 0, 1, 0, 2 is given, so write 1, 3 is given, place 1, next 6, this is the 6, 7, 1, 8, 0, 9 is given 1, 10 is given, so 1, 12, 10, 1, 11, 0, 12, 0, 13 is given, so 1, 14 is given 1, 15 is not given 0. This is the output by using this SOP. Now we'll enter the MEV. MEV entry. See, these two outputs 0. So enter value 0. Outputs 2 outputs 1. So enter 1. Again 2 values 0. Enter 0. 2 values 1. Enter 1. Input as well output both are same. So enter MEV. MEV is the input variable D. So enter D. Now input 0, output is 1. Input 1, output 0. Inverted values. So MEV bar, that means input MEV is D, D bar. 0, 0, 0, 1. So input output same. So D. 0, 1, 1, 0. Inverted values. So enter D bar. Now we'll write this as a 3 variable map. Considering only ABC 3 variables, and these are all the 0 to 7 combinations. That is cell number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Already as we discussed in KMap in the previous video. Now consider A variable one side and BC variables the other side and enter this outputs in the cell numbers according to the cell number. 0 cell number, 1 cell number 1, 0 cell number 2, 1 cell number 3. Now coming to cell number 4, D, 5, D bar, this is a 6, D, 7, D bar. Now according to the 3 steps in this MEV, that is the first step is place where there is a D and D bar with zeros. Here these 4 D, D bar all becomes zeros. Write as it is this values 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now make a group, this is a pair. Pair, so B variable is changing, eliminate the B, C is constant here, A bar is constant. Now this becomes A bar C, but the occurrence of D, D bar is 0. There is no occurrence of D, D bar. So no need to consider D. Now this is the first SOP. SOP1 becomes A bar C. Coming to the next step in this, replace 1 with don't cares and d is equal to 1, d bar is 0. So here there is two ones, replace with don't cares. Where there is a d, these two locations d cell numbers, so replace with 1, automatically next to d bar cells becomes 0. Again now pair. Okay, because we can pair only once, these don't cares were not used, so pair these two. Pair these two. In this, we'll check, that is B is changing, eliminate B, C bar is constant. So consider C bar as well, A from this side. A, C bar, but this is the occurrence of D because D is 1. We are considering D is 1. So occurrence of D. So this is the SOP2 becomes A, C bar with occurrence of D. Now the third step, that is same, D becomes 0, D bar becomes 1. That means this is the occurrence of D bar in this. So we'll write the final expression with D bar and we'll write as it is 0. Wherever there is a 1, replace with don't care. Wherever there is a D, replace with 0. Wherever there is D bar, that becomes 1. Now use grouping, K-map technique. This don't cares, we are considering it as 1 and grouping it as a quad. Quad eliminates two variables. A is eliminated. As well here B is changing, so eliminate B. Only C will be remaining. This is the C. But this is the occurrence of D bar. This is D bar 1 1. So write a D bar. This becomes SOP3. Now the final minimized expression is F is equal to A bar C plus A C bar D plus C D bar. This is the way how to minimize the given SOP using MEV, or this is also said to be EVM method. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share my video.